Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. ICP is currently holding micro support as it seems, and we are dealing with a sideways consolidation. You see it highlighted as actually a triangle pattern on the chart with these purple trend lines here. There's a descending trend line, there's an ascending trend line, and this is all part of a possible triangle that might actually lead to another low. I mean, all I can say is, since the price touched this overall larger orange support region on the 5th of July, the price has avoided to form another low, no? But also the price has entered a phase of indecision. How can I tell that? Well, it is quite, let's say, simple to see, quite easy to see. You see that the market is forming a triangle pattern. Triangles are by definition just patterns of indecision. Now, in addition to that, you see that there is back-to-back price action that is corrective. So back-to-back corrective movements. This move up from the 5th of July low is three-wave structure like. We have a three-wave move down, three waves up, three waves down. We could always see another corrective move up. As long as it's forming lower highs, higher lows, there is no breakout. But pay attention to the trend lines for breakout signals. In a bullish scenario, this here would be the beginning of a diagonal pattern to the upside. You see the bullish count, which allows for a move to the upside. But I highlighted to you in previous videos, this is not high confidence. We don't have a five-wave pattern on our side here. We only have clear confirmations that a low, for example, is in. If we can see a five-wave pattern to the upside at any point, there is not anything like that. But I would assume that this white scenario is playing out should we see a reaction to this support region without breaking below 677. If we see a break above the $9.05 level, which is the A wave top, and then I will assume the low is in, because then I'll assume the move up is a wave C of A. Then the next support area could be circle B, and we will move up higher like that. Because then at that point we would also break above the red trend line, break out of the triangle to the upside. So this is what I'm watching for. Can I predict that? No. Yeah, but you can watch for the signals like a breakout above the trend line, and this could then send the price higher. But it's not a great setup because there is just not that high confidence setup on a lower time frame. There is no micro setup to suggest that. Now, if we see within wave C to the upside of circle A, yeah, if we see something like this, so a first 1-2 setup, what I would need to see is a rally in 5 waves ideally, but it's going to be difficult to see on this time frame. Then a higher low. I mean, that could be a 1-2 setup of this C wave, 3, 4, 5, because wave C is a 5-wave move. So if we see a first rally and a higher low, then this could be an indication that wave C to the upside has started off circle A. On the other hand, if we see a break below the August low, which formed here at around 630, I will assume it's going for another low, and my assumption would be that this here is just an internal triangle in a still unfolding B wave to the downside, and that could be some kind of an internal wave 4, which would then probably lead to a test of $4.37, which is the 78.6 retracement level of the larger cycle. You see it here, I did put on here, ideally holds here. So that would be the next major support. Like on many other altcoin charts, we have to be patient here, but the levels should be clear, the potential as well. One more low is still highly likely until we see a first 5-wave move up. Yeah, at least a break above the trend line could be an indication that we're moving up at least in wave C of circle A. But it's difficult because it would be a diagonal, so it would actually be best for the chart probably to form one more low and then start a proper impulse to the upside. So that's the update about ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.